All right, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the OLIGHT 3T EOS in brass slim EDC flashlight. Boom. So I got this several weeks ago to replace my very worn and well-used STREAMLIGHT. And it's been good to me for most of the time until recently the switch stopped working. And well, I shouldn't say it stopped working. It was working sporadically. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it wouldn't. Became a really big pain in the butt. So let's get this OLIGHT opened up. Plastic is off. Packaging seems pretty nice. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Congratulations on your OLIGHT. Nothing unusual there. Got our user's manual. Ooh, and there she is. Nice. Yeah, the packaging is really nice on this. So this bag is sealed. They do that to keep down on oxidation. This is real brass. And that's one thing I noticed immediately is the weight of it compared to my old light. It's quite a bit heavier. I don't know if I'm a fan of that, obviously, because I just like keeping it lightweight. However, I am a fan of brass and the way it patinas over time. So I sprung for it. I knew it would be heavier. That's not a question. But let's get into this bag. Little dry pack here. Let's get that out of there. Deoxidizer. Seems to be really well made. Nice quality. Nice O-ring there. And it's actually got a battery in it and a little plug to keep it from being able to come on before you want it to. Obviously, this battery is not that great. I will be changing it out. Let's go ahead on. Okay. Blind you guys for a second there. Oh. High power. So it's got a couple different modes. All right, we see it's very similar size to the STREAMLIGHT, maybe even exactly the same size. Anyhow, I'll be using this thing from here on out, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts on it. On high beam, 180 lumens at 60 meters for about 21 minutes. Low beam, 5 lumens, 12 meters at 16 hours. Not bad. I don't know the specs on my old one. I can look it up maybe and post it. The weight on this one is 2.65 ounces, including the battery. Alrighty. And it's IPX8 waterproof and impact proof. So hopefully it'll be good to me, and I'll keep you guys updated on my thoughts on it later on in the future. There you have it. Thanks for watching it. I appreciate the likes and subscribers that I've been getting. You guys are awesome. All right, be good or be good at it. This is Jerry with Bird Dog Outdoors, and I'll talk at you later.